What's going on, guys? We're at the BDT compound with this beautiful B8.5 Audi S4. Marrissa, thank you very much for letting me use your car. Right now, we loaded up a stock tune. We're gonna get a baseline. Then from there, we're gonna upload the stage 1 with our ECU tune shifting at 7,200 RPMs. Just to let you know about the vehicle, it has a cold air intake and a touring catback exhaust. So she has cats in there still, just a stage 1 with 93 octane in probably 20 to 30 degree weather. So stay tuned, guys. All right, here we go. Here's all she wrote then. Oh yeah. Not bad? That's accurate then. Alright guys, I know you're gonna hate me and you're gonna say no way, but seriously, how can I fake the dyno readings? They're to the hub. It was 290 stock. 403? 405, guys. That's 120 horsepower gain. Can you believe that? That's a stage 1. I did nothing. You guys came with 93, right? Can you hear it in the background?
Yes. Shell 93.
Shell 93. I'm not bullshitting this. This is no fake. There's nothing they did special. Cold air intake. They got an AW touring exhaust, but that's from the cat back. There you guys. That's the proof. Stage 1, 400. Over 400 on a stage 1. So you guys saw 405. They take the record of the highest horsepower on my dyno. So what's next? Stay tuned.